Hey guys, boy am I embarrassed. Boy am I ashamed of myself. Why then am I going to share this with you? Well, it teaches you a lesson. I learned a valuable lesson today. You want to hear me cry? Really? You want to hear me get all upset and pissy and have a little hissy fit and do a little pissing and moaning? Boys, I worked my listen to me. Boys, I call my dogs that. Boys, they respond to it. I did my schedule at 9 a.m. Didn't work anybody on any of the three bands. 10 meters wasn't great. 15 was okay, not great. This is the RBN skimmers results on 20 meters this morning. You can see I was being received by quite a few skimmers. You know, the signal levels, not bad. Not bad at all. 13, 18, 11 dB, right? Not bad at all. So this one POTA activator, him, KG9JP, yeah, whatever. You do the phonetics. It's early. Boy, did I do some crying. I tried and tried and tried to work my man. And boy, it was a kilowatt fest. I forgot how bad things have gotten in the POTA arena. It's a kilowatt fest. And my man there, KG9JP, he was working them rapid fire. And he was working the big guns rapid fire as fast as he could. And the loudest signal got the job done, you know. And to some extent, that's to be expected. Well, I don't know if you've ever done a POTA activation or not, but I've done a handful. I don't work them that way, though. For me, it's a relaxed affair. For this guy, it was a log fest. You know what I mean? Get as many in the log as humanly possible. I don't know how he does it, because he'll immediately greet you by name. As soon as you call him and he hears your call, boom, it's entered in his system, in his logger or whatever. He knows your first name. He's got good internet connectivity, which is nothing in these days. You know, all you need is your cell phone. But what's he do? Is he got the microphone in the left hand and his right hand stays on the keyboard? You know, is he working it two-handed, double-fisted? I did too, but I had the mic in the left hand and a pen in my right hand. Yeah, I logged on paper because I had fun entering it all when I got home that evening. It was fun. I got to relive the day's fun. And it was just a more relaxed affair for me. You know what I mean? One thing I wish these POTA activators would do is get in the habit of when you're working the big guns, you know what I mean, the loudest few. Take a moment and call for QRPers. You know, I wish people would. If you do, well, there's your intro. I recorded a video segment and I cried my ass off, pissed and moaned, and then he was going to take one more call. One more call. I'd been sitting here for half an hour, getting more and more frustrated. And yet, here comes the last call. Hey guys, I hope you're well. So I just worked my 9 a.m. schedule. Couldn't work anyone. Heard no callers. Had no takers. to my CQs. So I decided to look at the POTA site, listen to a few POTA stations, see if I could work anyone using a single sideband at the 1 watt level. And this guy, man, I forgot just how bad it has become in the world of POTA. Man, this is a linear fest. This is a kilowatt fest. And this POTA activator, he's out to rapid fire, crank them out as fast as he humanly can. And he's only working the very, very loudest. He's skimming the top 5% off and working them and then calling CQ POTA again. He's only working the 10 kilowatt club. I guess I'm crying, aren't I? By 1 watt, couldn't get the job done. I've tried every trick in the book. I literally have. And he's not going to hear me. I could call him all day long in the clear. And he's not going to hear me. He's not going to work me. Nope, he's only looking for a needle swinging all the way to the right.
One more for the day. This is Kilo Golf 9 and Juliet Charlie 1.
And 8NK, QRP, 1 watt.
I hear a little mess. I heard 1 watt. So the one that said 1 watt, give me your call sign only, please.
November 8, November Kilo. November 8, November Kilo, running 1 watt.
Okay, November 8, November Kilo. It's a newer call. You'll have to give me the state on the go run. You're 5151 in the U.S. 1651 and 7532.
QSL. You are 595959. And the state is Michigan. In the state of Michigan. Over.
Thank you for Michigan today, and I appreciate that. 7-3. And with that, guys, I got to say 7-3 because the snow is starting to come down.
Oh, my God.
This is Kilo Golf 9 at Juliet Papa. We're going to be QRT.
Oh, my God. I've been calling him for half an hour with no luck at all. His very last call, because it's starting to snow on him. And I worked him with 1 watt PEP. Now I could have called myself 1 watt if I was running 2.8 watts PEP, because 1 watt RMS is equal to 2.8 watts PEP, right? No, I was running 1 watt PEP. Oh boy, I better find his call sign and log him. Talk to you later. I'm shaking. You know what, man? On the other hand, don't call for QRPers. Don't bother. You know why? Because it's more fun for me beating you 10 kilowatt boys with my 1 watt. It's more fun for me beating you down to the ground with 1 watt. Oh no. Have I become the angry QRPer?